If you're choosing between Obsidian and Anytype, watch this before you choose. Because this isn't just note-taking app versus note-taking app. It's linked knowledge versus all-in-one workspace. Obsidian is built around markdown files and powerful note linking. It lets you create a personal knowledge base with graphs, plugins, and complete ownership of your notes. That makes it a favorite among researchers, writers, and power users. But here's the catch. It has a steeper learning curve, and you'll need to set up your own workflow. Anytype takes a different approach. It combines notes, databases, tasks, and documents into a modern workspace with offline-first syncing and a polished interface. That makes it easier for users who want an all-in-one productivity tool without relying on plugins. The downside is that its ecosystem is still growing and isn't as mature as Obsidian's. So which one should you choose? Choose Obsidian if you want maximum customization, plugins, and complete control over your notes. Choose Anytype if you want a modern workspace with notes, databases, and tasks built in. Bottom line, Obsidian is the better choice for most power users because of its flexibility and massive plugin ecosystem. But if you prefer a cleaner, all-in-one experience with less setup, Anytype may be the better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.